So we are about to complete the program now, just two steps away, conditional formatting and pivot table. So first we will see the basics of conditional formatting or the basic functionalities that are predefined already in the conditional formatting segment. And then we will see about the formula based conditional formatting in the next video. Further to that, we will be seeing the pivot table option in the third video, right? Okay, now we are going to see the basic conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is grouped under the styles group of home tab, so you can see it right away here. This is the conditional formatting, so select the range to apply conditional formatting first anywhere. Okay, so select that. You could see 5 basic conditional formatting that are predefined based on the uh, the category or the way that works. So highlight cells rules will highlight the cells that satisfy any of this condition in the format that we are providing. So greater than certain number, less than certain number, equals certain number, a text that contains this thing or something like that on the duplicate values. It will highlight the cells based on what we give. So highlight greater than 5000. So this is what I am giving, and I am giving it a color. Colors are also predefined. 3 or 4 colors are predefined. You can use any of them, or you can use the custom formatting option as well. So this is it, and you can see what are all the rules that are there under the manage rules option. So in the current selection or in this entire worksheet or in the any of the sheets, you can see it in the single window itself, and you can even edit the rule or delete the rule or duplicate the rule if you want to do so. And you can also create a new rule from here, right? Now, leaving this aside, we are going to see the second one, top or bottom rules. This will also highlight the cells based on the criteria here. Top 10 items, bottom 10 items, above average, below average are the things that are showing here. So we will go with the below average selected, or just light red fill will suffice. Or you can just say red text, or you can say red border, whatever you want. Okay, red text. So these are guys are below average guys. They are not fit to be in the company, right? But still we need them. Okay. So select that. Third condition is data boss. Data boss is kind of a bar chart. You would see the trend or the highest volume filling the entire cell and the lowest volume at the lowest point of the cell. So you can give it in different colors as you like to see, and close it. So this is the data boss. You can even hide the values by giving the font color as white, but it would again in the numbers will be visible under the charts. So this will not work good. You can change the custom formatting to make it invisible as we had seen earlier using the trick, or you can go to conditional formatting, manage rules, and edit this rule and tick the show bar only option. This will automatically hide the numbers or the values beneath this fill. Okay, and then give OK. You can even change the formatting here, whatever you want, whatever color, borders, etc., and then give it a OK, and then apply this and OK. All right. Now we are continuing with the next conditional formatting, that is color scales. So select the range of cells that contains numbers. Color scales applies only when there are numbers like the data bus. So now select the entire range that contains numbers. Go to conditional formatting, go to color scales. So the color scales fills the entire cell with a particular color based on the value of the particular cell in the entire range. So this there are 12 defined predefined color scales available. You can also modify them however you want at the later stage by going to the edit rule section, right? So now you can apply the particular color scale. So a particular color scale indicates that the lowest number will be filled with the lowest color that is available in the color scale, and the highest number will be filled with the color of the topest color that has been indicated in the color scales range. So you can entirely select a new one, or you can use the existing one. So you can select this and you can modify this by going to manage rules and edit the rule with the required color. So you can have the lowest color as orange or lowest color as yellow, anything and everything you can make and apply the changes in order to get the uh, required color ranges. So similar is the case for the icon sets. Icon sets also requires the range to have values, numbers, not text. Okay, this also applies in the same way. So go to conditional formatting, go to icon sets. Instead of filling the entire cell with a color, it just adds icons before the number value. So if you just go this, so if you just put this, the preview is available in the left side where you can see the numbers that are more than averages or indicated using an upper green arrow, and which is in the middle have the right arrow with an orange color, and the lowest values have the red down color, right? So down arrow, right? So similar is the cases, and all these things are predefined. You can use any of this, and you can also modify the rule with a particular number. Instead of say anything above 10,000 can have green up arrow, and anything between say 3,000 and 10,000, right? 3,000 and 10,000 is a very huge range, right? So that can have an average arrow, that is a right orange arrow, and anything below 3,000 only should have the red uh, down arrow. So that is how you can modify the things in the manage rules section as well. So you can apply anything or any formatting you like, and you can edit the formatting whenever you want in the manage rules and edit rules section, right? So this is basic conditional formatting, which is already predefined. So you need not apply any conditions. Most of the cases it is pre-applied. You can use that in a direct way, unless and otherwise you want to specifically change it. In the next video, we will be seeing the formula based conditional formatting, which is the sixth type of conditional formatting we are about to see, and that would be entirely based on your input, your selection, and your predetermined. I mean, based on your inputs only, right? Yeah. So we will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.